thought I'd do a short little video about a solution I have to the heat wave we've been having lately as related to my motorhome's refrigerator. Now, of course, when a RV refrigerator gets too hot, it doesn't work very well, and the life is shortened quite a bit. And if you ever looked at the price of RV refrigerators, you'd be inspired to try to make the refrigerator last as long as possible. And the solution to my problem is right behind this hatch. This is the lower hatch for my refrigerator. So, if we look inside, there's the solution. 2 computer fans, a couple of brackets, little on-off switch, and to control it all, I have this little thermostat. Now, I've got the thermostat set for 100 degrees because the general atmosphere of the chamber here is artificially hot. So what happens was, when the temperature reaches roughly 100 degrees, the fans power on and they blow across the coils. So the fans blow up through the wall, up through the back of the refrigerator, across the coils, and out through the vent on the top. Now, of course, heating convection normally gets the air going up and through, but the fans add just a little bit extra push for that heat, so it keeps things somewhat cooler.